Hey, I'm John Dayo-Aliya. This piece is called The Bird's Nest. One moment. Okay, here we go. High above the stoic heads of urban capitalists in Brooks Brothers suits, with stains of nicotine, caffeine, and detachment on their breaths. Above the young black mother whose weave, hips, and soul shakes with every jagged step, traveling against the gray clay sky, lost in the white smog of America, Sean soars on frayed feathers, jutting small black eyes, and swooping doggedly to the sullied city floor. Before he had his wings, Sean lived on 125th Street in Malcolm X, lived in a big brick complex folks called the Bird's Nest. He would spend his days with his hoodie up and his eyes low to the ground, locked on the pavement when the popo came round. His universe stretched no further than the cluttered Harlem streets, where he walked among the whores, pimps, crack fiends, and freaks. The happenings of that day are kept in silence, but they are kept. Nobody knows why, but the spirit moved that black boy, and he leapt. The image of the boy free falling out of the seventh-story window has forever rocked the souls and minds of them everyday people. Passing by on their way from here or there, the black apparition swooping through space, smiling without care. But it was not the fall that they can't forget. Though graceful and elegant, a kind of dark pirouette. Not the fall, but what happened next. The part that still haunts those spectators' dreams. Before he could hit the ground, that black boy grew wings. His head drew in, and so did his legs. His black face grew feathers, or at least that's what they said. Before he could hit the blacktop, before he could die, he turned into a pigeon and began to fly.